I don't know many other children with real cars. It's incredible.
Ipswich in the UK. Not the first location that springs to mind when you think of lowriders. But this isn't your average lowrider, and Sol isn't your average owner.
I'm Sol Archer and this is my lowrider Honda Civic EF.
Sol's love of lowriders was inherited from his dad, Peter.
The attraction of lowriders is just being different, to bounce around in a display. That's what the draw is for me anyway.
And this Honda was a father and son build.
Sol's role in the design was build something that he could potentially drive, so small, inexpensive. Sol's colourblind, so it was never about picking a colour as such, it was about making it pop, making it stand out.
And it certainly does that.
Today's event is the Ipswich Festival of Wheels.
It's an all-encompassing car show. You could be driving it to the shops, into town, or you could be at a show like this. So it always turns heads because of what it looks like. As soon as you start playing with the switches, I think it baffles people more than anything else.
For Sol, being the only kid at the show with his own vehicle is pretty special.
I don't know many other children with real cars and I think I'm lucky.
It's not just somebody's kid at a show. He feels like he's part of everybody else, apart from not being able to drive it. But everybody else is driving around in cars and this is so-and-so's car and that's so-and-so's car. Now he's got that car for himself.
Half of them don't believe me.
Well, it is hard to believe, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
But they'll believe it when they see you driving it, that's the answer.
Yeah. My dad will usually drive up to a show and we will take out the switch box and start playing with it until it breaks. The basic ones are front, back, side to side, the seesaw.
You turn them off, the car's totally rigid, no shocks, no springs, so it's good for fast moves. Then if you want to drive it, turn those accumulators on and it's like an inline shock absorber. You could always argue that Sol just gave me the opportunity because I wanted to build something for somebody else. But seeing him stood in front of a crowd of people with that switch box and smashing it around, I get flashbacks of me being that kid who was new to lowriding, smashing a car about in front of all these old timers. It's great.
So Sol, what's it like owning a unique custom car 6 years before you're legally able to drive?
Incredible.